Welcome to our comparison of two powerful Asus motherboards, the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming and the Prime X670E-PRO. In this video, we will delve into their key features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're a gamer or a power user, understanding these motherboards will guide you to the right decision for your next build. When it comes to pricing, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F offers an excellent value at just $159, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO is priced at $479, reflecting its high-end features and capabilities. This significant price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and performance needs. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F boasts a robust power design with 12+2 DRMOS power stages and optimized thermal solutions, making it a solid choice for gamers. Meanwhile, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO features a more advanced 16+2 power stage setup and supports the latest DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, catering to enthusiasts looking for cutting-edge performance. Both motherboards offer excellent features tailored to different user needs. In terms of specifications, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F supports DDR4 memory and is designed for AMD's AM4 socket, making it compatible with older Ryzen CPUs. On the other hand, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO supports the latest DDR5 memory and is built for the AM5 socket, ensuring future-proofing for the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference in memory support is crucial for users planning their builds. To conclude, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F offers great value for gamers on a budget, while the Asus Prime X670E-PRO provides advanced features for those seeking top-tier performance. Your choice should depend on your specific needs, budget, and the type of CPU you plan to use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.